Most locksmiths know 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine is able to cut many types of keys. Here, we will further learn that the machine should use corresponding mini cutters for different types of keys. These are cutter 2.0 and probe 1.0. They are used to cut vehicle key, motorcycle key, and electric keys. This is cutter 1.5 and used to cut keys for Volkswagen HU162 and Ford HU198. In addition, cutter 1.5 can also take the place of cutter 2.0 sometimes, but be sure to select the corresponding option on the machine. These two types of cutter are most commonly used. They belong to standard packing. These are cutter W, cutter U, and probe 0.5. They are specially used to cut dimple keys, just like multi-lock. This is cutter M, and specifically used to cut dimple keys, just like Nissan GTR or some keys for door locks. It can be matched with probe 1.0 or 0.5. This is cutter 0.9 and comes with probe 0.5. It is specifically used to cut multi-track types of keys. This is cutter V. We rarely use it, and it's mainly used in making new key blank for cutting V-shaped groove. What's more, if we come across this kind of inner groove key or standard key above, we have to cut them by cutter 2.0. We have not clarified which cutters to use for which keys.